Guys, how are you doing today? Hope your day is going great and lovely and wonderful. Anyways, in this video, I'm going to show you how to make an entire meal from start to finish.
So in this video, we are going to turn these chicken breasts into this. And we are going to turn this freshly picked zucchini into this. Who out there likes pesto pasta? Well, how about substituting your noodles with spaghetti squash? I also made fresh pesto sauce with my basil outside.
That with, you guessed it, coconut oil. And I put some in my pan already and letting it heat up. And I'm going to start out with cooking the chicken breasts because obviously chicken breasts take the longest compared to all these other things. So I'm just putting a few in there. Chicken is cooking up. I like to cut the zucchini. And I cut it faster. I put some coconut oil in the next pan for the zucchini. And then I just throw my zucchini in.
And here they are all cooking at the same time. When the chicken is a nice golden brown like this, they are done.
Thanks so much guys for watching my video. If you liked it, just comment or press like. Thanks so much. It's time for me to eat now. Bye-bye.